Get a grip on winter with our service specials from Leamington GM. We at Leamington GM provide a wide variety of services to our customers. Services such as wheel alignment, wheel balance, lube oil or filter change, brake system inspection, battery replacement, and many other things. The Leamington GM will be having amazing service specials for the month of October. There will be $150 off on the set of tires that you will purchase from Leamington GM with the GM Scotiabank Visa card. You will get instant rebates which can be stacked on your $150 GM Visa card tire offer. The rebates you'll get are $50 instant rebates on the Bridgestone tires, $40 instant rebate on Firestone tires, $40 instant rebate on any Pirelli tires, and the brand new offer of $40 on the Uniroyal tires. Please note that the manufacturer mail-in rebates are stackable with the $150 GM card, but they cannot be stacked with the instant rebates. If you want to use any of our services, then please visit Leamington GM, where we not only provide satisfactory car checkups, but we also give amazing offers on many products. Thank you.